Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday is a favorite day of the week because I gift you a free printable. Yes, Friday freebie, little treat for everybody to enjoy. This week, this freebie is designed to be used with my letters in the attic digital paper. We've done a tutorial together on Wednesday where I showcase how to make some postcards, and this page has been designed to complement this paper kit. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Happy Friday. Oof, I'm having a really nice week, and well guys, the 14th of July we are flying to Italy. Yay! Fingers crossed. We're going to have some news from the house. I will text the owner of the house before we fly to book an appointment with him and see what's the state, what's the progress of the work that needed to be done in the house. So yeah, I will let you know when I'm away guys. Don't worry, because I am filming some videos ahead. Videos will be scheduled on my channel and on my Facebook group, so you guys won't miss any uploads. And also guys, I am quite active on Instagram, so keep an eye on there because I'll always share stories with food and see and all that. So yeah, keep an eye on it to keep some real life updates while we are in Italy. So today I'm going to give you a very special freebie because this is probably one of my favorite kits I have designed. It's called Letters from the Attic. On Wednesday, and I will put a link down below in case you guys have missed it, we use this kit. We make a collage. We use some Team Molds tickets, we use some stamps, we use some postcard from another kit. So I will put the link in case you guys missed this video, but very quickly I show you now what we made with this kit on Wednesday. And I love projects like this because when you create collages, you don't have to think what you do. So I always make like master boards, which you create a collage and then you cut it into pieces, depends what you're going to make. On this video, we made some postcards. But as I said on that video, you guys can make tags or decoration, embellishment, anything that you guys want. So yeah, they will go into my postcard book. So let me show you the kit. It's called Letters from the Attic. It's 11 pages, and this kit is being designed taking inspiration for handwriting letters from the past that people used to write to the lovers or family. I love the handwriting element of it. And then what I did, I create collages with some vintage embellishment and vintage things that we don't really use nowadays, like this really lovely pen, some photographs, some keys, some clocks. I showed you as well on that video, I have a writing set, a original Victorian writing set. So yeah, go back and have a look, because yes, we got some more keys, and of course I put some roses to make it a bit more floral, more vintagey. And you got a page with all the letters. Now what I thought you could do with this, you can either spell and create words, or you can either put the initial to an envelope when you send a letter or birthday card or any sort of cards, or you can use this as an embellishment for your ephemera. This page here is a background on London from the beginning of the centuries, 19th centuries, and then on top I just layer with some writing. There is a postcard as well, then some embellishment. So you get a couple of what do you call them, envelopes, and then a big scallop envelope. Tags, it wouldn't be me without some tags. And then last but not least, a gift box. So you've got a pillow box and some butterflies and some tabs. So the freebie to go with this is this one here. So what I did, I combined some of these pages together and I put some very deep colored flowers because I wanted to create something a bit more contrast. And then again, I still kept the letters and the writing and some embellishment, but I create a collage together, and then I put some flowers on top. So I hope you guys will enjoy this. So as usual, guys, how you download this freebie. So this gets sent out every Friday at 9 p.m. to my newsletter. So if you're not subscribed to my newsletter, feel free to do it today because it's free and you get some crafty news, you get some cheeky discount codes, you get the freebies, of course, and other bits and pieces. Also, there is a catalog of my freebies on my Facebook group. So if you're not there, I will put the link down below. It will take you straight to the Facebook group, and I'll show you on the screen now as well where to find the files. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the three dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Okay guys, thank you so much for your continuous love and support. As I always say, it means the world to me and Jamie. It really does. Today, special thank you goes to the lovely Marilyn. And I'll put Marilyn's comment on the screen now. Marilyn said that she loved watching my videos. She always downloads my freebies. Don't forget, guys, to download the freebies and store them on your computer or your laptop or iPad. And then you can just print them off as and when you need them. Thank you so much. And I hope you like it. And I'll give you some inspiration on how to use it. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big, huge thumbs up because you're telling YouTube how fabulous I am, and also in all seriousness that you like my content. So much appreciated. Guys, I will put a couple of links here on the screen. One when we did some more vintage inspired postcards, and another one when we make some embellishment part using the my postcard kit. So again, a couple more inspirations for you guys to watch and enjoy. Guys, big thank you from the bottom of my heart, and until next week, stay safe and well. Bye.